Hello and welcome again to Adventures in Pop-Ups. I'm Blake, and this is the place you come for your campsite reviews, tips, tricks, hacks, and mods. So today, we picked up from Menards this square of carpet. It's way too big for what we're gonna do, but it's got a rubber backing on it. We're gonna replace the carpet on the step, the slide-out step for our pop-up camper. The carpet fell off. Just was old and needed to be replaced and was starting to come off, and then I think we gave it the rest of the rip off. I don't know. Got the cheap epoxy, got a nice little rubberized piece of carpet. Sharpie, we're gonna mark it out, scrub it, clean it, let it dry, and then glue it down. Now we gotta trim the corners off. Pull the corners off and Hey, well, thanks for joining us. We're loving our new step. It is staying really good. We've already driven 1,700 miles with it on like this. It's staying nice, and it's quite the upgrade. We love orange.
Woohoo, orange.
So if you want one of these, they're at Menards again, and thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned. We have a reveal when we complete this. We're still finishing up a few loose ends, so and then we have a couple of campsite reviews coming at you soon.